Alright, so I just recently got the Hero Session 5. Just want to do a quick video, not so much on reviewing the camera itself, but just wanted to show how it looks like while I'm riding, the stability on it, and just pretty much how it looks at a certain angle on the motorcycle. And then later on I'll probably do an actual review on it. So yeah, let's get into it. So here's the setup that I had. And here's the bike overall, what it looks like with the setup on there.
Ryan Little.
Right here, you can see it's pretty stable, facing me, and I think the wobbles that it has pretty much is just from the way it's on the suction cup. But as far as the camera stability itself, it's not too bad considering it's going through some wind, and the placement, and yeah, overall not bad.